Come here, baby. Uh-oh. Stand up, baby. Stand up.
Down.
Joshua.
Forward.
Stand up, baby.
Try another.
Come here. Come here. Come here, baby.
Circle 5 hydrants.
There we go. You did it by yourself. Look at you walking like a big boy.
How many are there? 1, 2, 3,
Really?
4, 5.
Can you throw the ball?
No, count.
Throw the ball to Mommy.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Thank you.
1, 2, 3.
You ready to catch it?
Go.
Uh-oh. What is it?
Is that it? Okay. Now, something. Circle the group of 5.
Uh-oh. You're going to get sister's toy, aren't you? Got him. Got him.
See, so you create a 5. You can